Hello, my name is Nathan Brenner, again with Ace Home Inspection, and tonight I wanted to talk a little bit about galvanized steel plumbing. And as you can see, this is a segment of 3/4 inch galvanized steel plumbing, and as you see, there's rust coming out of the bottom of it right now as I hold it up, and that's really the problem with this older galvanized steel plumbing. This right here is a combination bell reducer into a 90-degree that goes into a 1/2 inch pipe. And as you see here, the inside of this galvanized steel plumbing becomes very rusted over time. And as that corrosion builds up, the interior diameter of the pipe becomes less and less. So as that diameter decreases over time, there's actually a loss of water pressure that's experienced. And in many older houses, people complain about having a loss of water pressure, but they don't quite understand why, or where the loss of water pressure, where it's coming from. But many times, from my experience, I've seen that this is the cause, this older galvanized steel plumbing. And another interesting thing is, in this one case, the person actually decided to go to a larger diameter pipe, thinking that that would possibly, fix the problem. But that's really not the case. It may take longer for a 3/4 inch pipe to corrode, but the problem is still present because it's impossible to replace everything into 3/4 inch. Sometimes the feed to the home from the utility company may still be an older steel supply line. So again, it would take a professional getting in to check the entire plumbing system to see if galvanized steel fittings are still present. Because again, to reduce water pressure, all you would need is one corroded fitting. Because from that point on, water pressure would be lost. So again, that's just another condition that I see pretty commonly. And as far as increasing the diameter of a pipe, one other thing I wanted to mention too was that by increasing the pipe size, you actually get more volume of water, but you actually get less pressure. Because actually the smaller the pipe, the greater the pressure becomes. So by people actually increasing the pipe size, they actually end up decreasing their water pressure even more. So again, that might just be something that if you are experiencing a loss of water pressure, you might want to check your personal home for galvanized steel.